Hey there! Are you getting the most out of your bananas? Bananas are one of those fruits that most of us grab when we're in a rush, and for good reason. They're convenient, tasty, and packed with nutrients. But did you know that there's a smarter way to eat bananas to truly maximize all their health benefits? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through some simple tips to help you get the most out of your bananas and avoid a few common mistakes. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about timing. Bananas are loaded with natural sugars and potassium, so they make a fantastic snack when you need a quick energy boost. If you're someone who needs that morning pick-me-up, a banana is perfect. It's also a great choice before a workout to fuel up, or even after exercise, as bananas help replenish electrolytes and assist in muscle recovery. So if you're aiming to fuel your body, the best times to eat a banana are first thing in the morning, right before a workout, or within 30 minutes to an hour after your workout. Now, let's talk about ripeness, because how ripe your banana is can make a huge difference to how your body processes it. A perfectly ripe banana is sweet and easy to digest, making it a quick source of energy. The sugars in a ripe banana are simple, and your body can absorb them right away, which is great when you need that instant pick-me-up. But here's the twist. If you're someone who's trying to keep blood sugar levels stable, or you're looking for something that keeps you feeling full longer, try a slightly underripe banana. It contains more resistant starch, which acts like fiber in your digestive system and doesn't cause those sugar spikes. So depending on your goals, you can choose the ripeness that works best for you. All right, here's a little hack for you. Did you know there's a better way to peel a banana? Most people just peel it from the top, but here's the trick. Try peeling it from the bottom instead. It's easier to open, you won't get those annoying stringy bits, and the banana won't bruise as much. Plus, you'll look like a banana peeling pro. Give it a try next time. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Bananas are great for carbs, but they're low in protein and fats, which is why it's a good idea to pair them with something else to make your snack more balanced. Think about adding Greek yogurt, kiwi, or a handful of nuts alongside your banana. Not only will this stabilize your blood sugar, but it will also help keep you fuller for longer. So if you want that banana to keep you satisfied until your next meal, make it a combo snack. While bananas are packed with nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, it's important to remember that too much of anything can be a problem. Bananas are naturally sweet, so they're higher in sugar and calories compared to some other fruits. If you're managing your weight or watching your calorie intake, stick to one banana a day. That's plenty to get the benefits without overdoing it. Just keep in mind that moderation is key to any healthy diet. Let's talk about storing the bananas the right way, because it's a mistake a lot of people make without even realizing it. Did you know bananas naturally release ethylene gas? This gas speeds up ripening, so if you store banana with other fruits, especially in a fruit bowl, you'll find everything ripening and spoiling much faster. Here's the deal. How you store your bananas really depends on when you plan to eat them. Let me break it down for you. To slow the ripening process, wrap the stems with plastic wrap or foil, or separate the banana to minimize ethylene gas release. For overripe bananas, peel and freeze them to use later in smoothies, baking, or desserts, effectively stopping the ripening process. Okay, here's a fun one. Do you usually toss the banana peel after you eat the fruit? Well, you might be missing out. While banana peels aren't typically eaten raw in most places, they actually have some surprising benefits. The peel is packed with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants. In fact, it may even have higher levels of certain nutrients than the banana itself. You can use the peel to make a calming tea, add a small piece to your smoothies for a nutritional boost, or even turn it into banana vinegar. And if you're not into eating it, banana peels are great for composting and can even help polish leather shoes or soothe itchy insect bites. Next time, don't toss the peel, use it, or compost it. So let's wrap up. To get the most out of your bananas, remember to eat them at the right time for your energy needs. Choose the ripeness that fits your body's requirements. Try peeling them the easy way, and always pair them with protein or healthy fats for a more balanced snack. And don't forget, moderation is key. One banana a day is plenty for most people. Plus, consider making the most of the banana peel too. By following these tips, you'll be enjoying the full range of health benefits bananas have to offer, from improved digestion to energy boosts, without any of the common pitfalls. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have found it helpful. Don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Until next time, enjoy your bananas the right way.